Hello, it's me, and I'm Crazy Boy the Second. Ah! Ah! And I'm going to explore the wonders of the scary backyard. Dun dun dun! Someone's at the door. No one's there. Let me take an extra look. Goodbye, world. Bless you. I see nothing. Oh my God, it's a person. No one's out. It's late at night. And it's cold out here. God. Do you hear them? Oh my God, they're looking at me. They're looking at me. Oh my God, it's creepy. I'm a little chipmunk in a do. Okay, it's creepy and cold out there. Oh my God, my mom's coming down. We hide. Hide right here. Come on, man. Go.